Today we're planning a birthday party and we're going to DIY everything.
Yes, as much as we can.
We're scared.
It'll be very interesting and a lot of fun too. So I'll make notes while we discuss.
Number one, we're going to make a piñata.
Okay.
We've never made a piñata before, but I think that would be fun. Two, we're going to make a pin the tail on the donkey, but it's going to be a pin the something on something.
You know, the wall.
On the wall or on the
Pintail. Pintail on something.
Something. Okay.
All right. Now we have to have more games.
Yeah, I was thinking like a scavenger hunt around where where you put a note and then they go find the other note and they find the other note and then like that and then they find a prize or something at the end.
We'll leave that part blank. We'll come back as we think of some things because we've done kind of fun stuff. We've done bobbing for apples. We've done
that got everybody wet.
That's a do-it-yourself.
Cake from scratch, do it yourself.
You're gonna grind your own flour for that?
Maybe.
All right.
That's really from scratch.
Yeah, that's it.
And then
we'll have to buy ice cream.
We'll buy ice cream because my ice cream, people don't really love that. We'll do a fruit tray and a veggie tray.
What the boys wanted was musical chairs.
Oh yeah, musical chairs. That's easy to DIY.
What else was I thinking? Oh, we have to have the chips and dips. Sorry. Chips. Salsa. Guacamole.
Maybe you can make your salsa. Are we getting two from scratch here?
We could. I'll make salsa.
We have a really good salsa recipe on my blog that I can link down below. It's Grandma's salsa recipe, and it's really yummy.
Grandma.
That's what we call you.
I know.
My mom's.
Kathy's. Yeah. I think so. Okay. Okay. I'll make salsa. We'll get some chips. Prizes, right? With the
I already bought all the prizes. What?
You know what she did?
You know what I did? I went to Target and at the end of one of the aisles, they had all of the Valentine's Day stuff 70% off. So I got 2 bags of M&Ms, like the big size bags. And the kids coming love candy. So yeah. And then I found 3 bath bomb things.
Pink bath bombs.
Because there's going to be girls here. Yeah. They would love that. My kids would love that too.
Yeah.
And then I found this little craft kit.
Oh yeah, that was nice. Yeah.
That you make these little cute monster things. Yeah. And then I found, what was the other thing I found?
Oh, chocolate in a bag.
Chocolate in a bag. So yeah, it's very much candy, but
yeah, they like it. We have to fill the piñata with something.
Yeah, and I was thinking of using all my kids' Valentine's Day candy, but
hey, recycle, reuse.
If not, we will go get some candy. We're not going to make candy.
So piñata, I'll put leftover candy.
We'll see how much we have. Okay. It's not really leftover. It's brand new.
Yeah, it hasn't been opened.
This is AI. AI is giving me some ideas here. Okay. Musical chairs.
Yeah.
Treasure hunts. Scavenger hunt.
Hey, you know what else they like?
Freeze dance.
They do. Yeah, they like that at school.
That's fun. Freeze dance. Okay. Create a map with clues and pictures to find stuff.
Okay. So we'll just.
I just envision everybody like in my underwear drawer or something.
Yeah, I just picture all your plants getting ripped up. Maybe not that. You don't want them digging around. Not good.
Egg and spoon races.
Well, those were always fun. Not eggs, because eggs are $10 a dozen.
Eggs. No way.
So we can have something else.
Pass the parcel. We did that last time.
Yeah, that was great.
Simon says, duck, duck, goose. If we do cups, I want to get paper cups or something like that.
I already bought,
those big plastic ones are annoying.
I bought the red ones. I'm just going to put everybody's name on it. I already bought them.
They're just annoying because everyone just keeps getting another one.
Well, I'm going to tell them, no, everybody at this party is going to be issued 1 cup with their name. I'll write their name on it ahead of time. We'll have lemonade in a pitcher. We'll have water in a pitcher.
You will be issued 1 cup when you arrive.
If you lose your cup,
you're out.
You're out.
No more cups. We just arrived to Costco where we need to do some shopping, maybe a few items for the birthday party, but we need to get the cardboard for making the piñata.
Yeah, okay.
So we will see what we find there.
They're obviously black.
Look what we got. You're not even in the picture. Oh. Look what we got. Look at me.
Guess we got piñata paper. Here we go.
We're ready.
Yeah, we got it.
Just your normal day at Costco, you know.
Is it gonna fit? I think so. Hopefully.
We got what we needed, plenty of cardboard, and we decided to go with a simple design triangle.
Yes.
We'll see. We'll see how simple it
It'll be
is.
strong like that.
All right. Heading home, and then maybe we could do it today. It's only 3 o'clock, so
we could do it. The square out so we can. Okay, ready? Here it comes. Watch your fingers. Sharp knife coming through. We are geometry pros, so we're gonna try to make a perfect triangle.
No, we're not. That's the thing. So if we want to do it 24, I don't think it really matters.
We're close.
Close enough. Okay, so now at least we know where the center is. See what I'm saying? It's
We're
like,
really good at math.
where are we
in
doing
high
it?
school.
Perfect triangles.
I don't think it is. Look how you got it way the heck up there. What's going on?
What do you mean? That's 24.
I know, but it's going to here.
24.
No, it isn't.
24. Yeah, it is. It's exactly 24.
Yeah, but you're going straight up. You're not going to go straight up. You're going to find the center and you're going to go like this because you're bringing it in. See how it goes up higher there? You bring it in at an angle.
Yeah, up here, 24.
No,
I
not-
want that.
What?
24, almost 24, 24. Why not?
Because
It doesn't matter as long as they're both the same.
It's not 24 up.
Why?
Because this, if you had it like this, it would be up
Well, it
higher.
matters what kind of triangle
If
you're
you do it
doing.
like that. There's no triangle that.
Because we were talking about doing a watermelon slice. It's way longer. That was the picture I saw.
Okay, so it's not a true triangle.
It's not a triangle. The definition of a triangle is 3 sides.
Okay, this is a polypalebian triangle. It's got, no, I thought it was 3 equal sides. That'd be an equilibrium. Equilibrium.
We're teaching math next, so we're going to start our math career.
Okay. I thought.
Actually, I think we got a math teacher on this block.
Here,
so
let's just
he would
make
be
a line and
very freaked out by this.
do what we
just
normally
need a
do.
longer ruler.
Go part way up and slide it up. It's not that hard. Here.
Yeah, but the odds of getting that, oh my gosh, this is crazy. Because it's
Just go to the edge and go up.
I know, but it's definitely not going
Now
to,
slide it
it's
up.
not gonna be
There we
perfect,
go.
though.
Just go slide it up, and
I
when
mean,
you
it's kind of
crisscross that-
close, but
close, but no cigar.
close, but not happening. Look, it got really close though.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, we're fine.
We're gonna be
Good.
we're gonna be beating it up with a bat, so it won't really matter.
It's called eyeballing it.
No, what? No, now you're. Oh, well, now you're cutting it off way over here. No, what?
Like, I can see the trajectory.
Trajectory.
Look at.
I'll
Watch.
hold this so it doesn't slide.
Watch.
Trajectory.
Watch.
You know we have to do this twice because there's 2 different sides, but it's fine. Let's cut it. Doesn't matter.
I don't think it matters.
No, this is going to be.
Yeah, it's definitely not an equal triangle.
Oh, okay. I thought we were looking for.
But the confusion is going to be how are we going to figure out the sides?
We'll just decide how thick we want it, how much candy we want to put in there.
Never cut towards yourself, you know? That's what they say.
Well, you can't cut away from yourself. Oh my God.
Yeah, you can.
No, you can't. You just don't go and put your body in the way. There.
Never cut towards yourself. That's what people in the comments are going to be saying. Never cut towards yourself.
You know what I have to say about that? Is that the right one? Just flip it, hold it down. I'm going to cut right around it.
Well, no. Watch
There
out.
you go. Okay, make the top.
Gonna cut around it. Oh, cut your fingers off. That's what you're going to end up doing.
Flip it, flip
There
it.
we go.
Flip it, flip it.
There we go. Okay.
Bibbidi
We got it.
bobbidi boo.
People in the comments, you know, the comment section.
Can't wait for the comments.
I can't wait for the comments.
Okay, let me see.
Oh, wait, might be more cutting. Or that.
That one's got things on it. Okay, here we go.
Is this could actually be a side. See how it's already a side here? That would be a piece to hold it on. Do you get what I'm saying?
No one's ever going to be able to break that
It's
thing.
going to be, how many hits does it take to break the, that could be it. How many hits does it take to break, what the heck am I saying? How many hits does it take to break the homemade piñata?
Pinata from hell. Okay. Okay, you're going to cut yourself. Look, oh, don't go near your body.
Don't
See, when you're watching your kid do this, no matter how old your
See?
kid is.
Side wasn't this one. There we go. We got one side ready.
But we need to do it, yeah, on a side.
And then this goes.
This side's okay.
Yeah, keep that like
It's
that.
the inside.
Don't turn that so we know. Don't turn it.
I won't turn it. I'm not turning it. Cheese pizza.
She turned it.
No, it isn't. This is it. Right here.
Here we go.
We're going to open a new piñata company. We'll be selling these for $10 each, and rent will be...
And it only takes us 3 hours to make
We
one.
can make one a day, and rent will be $3,000 a month at the building. Should be
Oh my gosh, look at us.
Look at us. Oh, look at it. Look at it.
We're geniuses. Look at this.
We're these the...
No math. No math. Right here.
See,
Who needs math?
I didn't need math in college. I mean, I didn't go to college. Wait, I didn't need math in high school.
She was like, wait, I didn't go to college. You clearly didn't need it in college then.
Okay, let's go see.
Okay.
Now what?
I hated math, and I still don't like math, and I can usually figure things out without math.
I don't like math.
Adding and subtracting is important.
I don't like math, but I like numbers.
I like money,
I can
so I
remember
like to add
numbers.
up the dollars.
A triangle. You're right. Come
You're
over here.
so smart.
Yeah.
Maybe you'll be good at math one day. Come here. Like us.
Oh,
Okay.
my big boy.
So now,
look who just woke up from a nap. Mama's making triangles.
can you believe it?
That's her new business. Swinging. Here, swing it around a little bit like that.
Well, we can put another hole a little further down and hold it in. What are the noises that are happening?
I just know it's structurally sound.
Nothing is structurally sound about this.
It's a piñata.
Nothing.
You're
is
gonna have
be...
two?
Anyways, nobody cares, but that's how I did it.
I know this could look a lot better, but the whole point was to try to use everything we already have and could get for free. So cardboard was free, and everything we already had. So I found some colored paper, and I'm just going to use this to cover it. The final product, we have a trapdoor for the candy.
So we'll just keep checking it and see if all the paper stays on it.
Yeah.
Good job.
On to the next DIY project. And I printed out the evil character, and I'm going to glue him on there because I was going to put Sonic on here, and then I thought, we're going to be hitting Sonic. That doesn't make sense because everybody loves Sonic. So we have the bad guy. So I'm going to put him on here. And then I have the kids' leftover candy from Valentine's Day that I'm going to see how much we can put in here. And then if we need to go get more, then we can. Ta-da! All right. My mom and I made this nifty opening for the candy. So let's see what candy we have. Now I'm going to make this chocolate cake. Whoa. My mom is here. She's hiding behind the camera because she said she's wearing her old lady outfit. Those were her words. Here it is. Okay. 2 cups of milk.
Am I your assistant?
Well, I'm just reading it out.
Okay, I'll get
2 cups of milk. I'm going to put my trusty book weight here. Cake is in the oven, and now I am going to make the pin the tail on the donkey, which is pin the nose on Sonic. I might make some banana bread because I already have everything out.
While I had all the baking stuff out, I decided to go ahead, make the banana bread, and then I was on a roll, so I made the frosting for the cake, frosted the cake, then I also ended up making a loaf of bread, which meant I had to do the Sonic game the morning of the party. For some reason, this party we decided to have a little bit earlier than usual. We had the party starting at 12, which meant we had to get all of this done pretty early in the morning. My mom made cupcakes at her house the night before, and she brought them over so her and the boys could frost them together. And then I'm just putting this game together. I simply printed off a picture of Sonic from the internet and pasted it onto a larger piece of paper, cut out some black circles for the nose, and then I just put a piece of tape on each of those circles. And there we had it, a free pin the nose on Sonic game. And it was fun for the boys because they could decorate the game as well. And it was a personalized thing that we didn't have to buy from the store. So we probably saved, $10 or $15 there. Then I'm just making my table large because we usually end up eating outside and then some of the adults will eat inside. This was a family party, so it wasn't like we were having a ton of people over. But if you don't follow my channel regularly, our kitchen is under construction. So that's why everything was kind of out of place and hard to find. We just have a lot going on with our kitchen right now. So that really added to some of the confusion when trying to get everything organized and put together. But all in all, the party turned out wonderful. To me, the mark of a good party is everyone just having a good time. A lot of laughs, fun, eating good food, and hanging out together, which is what we did. So mission accomplished. And the piñata turned out great. Every kid was able to hit it so many times. We went through, I think everybody hit it 3 times, 3 sessions of hitting. So the piñata definitely lasted through all the hits. And here you can just see how everything looked and how it went. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment below and let me know. If you want my mom and I to make more videos like this, you can hit the subscribe button to join my channel. And I will have anything that you're looking for in the description box below. Thank you for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!